Good afternoon, welcome to Maths Live. Some of you have done quite quickly, so I'm going to add another question on here. Hello to Ellie and Barwell. Hi to Aoife, joining in. Heidi joining in. Thomas and Oliver, hello. So I'm going to add another one on there because I saw some of you do quite quickly. So have a go at those, and then we'll be back in a minute to go through it, and then we're going to try some addition and subtraction problems today on this hot day. Hi Rebe and Stebbing. Hi Amber, hi Aidan and Owen. Hi Amelia and Stratford. Alright, let's look at these answers. So Heidi has got an answer. Does anyone agree with Heidi's answer? She's got 7,517 for the first one. Oh, Heidi's done the second one as well. Wow. I'll give you about 10-15 seconds. Right, I've had to keep the window slightly open because it's very warm in here, so if you hear some background noise, sorry about that. I could think I could just stand here doing the realising and doing that. Right, so remembering from yesterday that regrouping across the place values. So if the top number is smaller than the bottom number, we can't do it. So for here, it's not 3 take away 0, which is 3. It's we've got nothing and we need to take away 3. And the problem is, these are the challenge ones, is that we can't borrow until we go right to the end. So we have to go all the way across, make that one less, and then give it to the next column. 10, make that one less, which is 9. Same again, 10, make that one less, which is 9. And finally, our ones column has got the number that it needs, it's 10. So 10 take away 3 is 7, and the rest of it's quite easy. 9 take away 8 is 1, 9 take away 4 is 5, and 8 take away 1 is 7. Okay? And the same with this one. We know we can't do these. We can't even do this column because you've got 3, you need to take 7. So we'll go across here, make the 1, 0, then make that 13. Okay, but we don't do this column. We have to go, remember, right back to the beginning of the ones. So what we do is we make that 1 less, which is 12. Let's put that up there. Then carry that extra one all the way across. Right, now we can do it. So that's 9, 7, 6, and then 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. The answer is 5,679. Let's see some of the answers. Well done. Super. Hi Sharon Coventry, hi Harry, hi Imogen and Deadmead, hi Kane and Norwich, hi Rebe. Just doing some quick shout outs there, why not? Right, so addition and subtraction word problems. It's quite a hard lesson to do via video because word problems obviously rely on being able to read the whole problem and circle them and things like that, and for me to write out a whole word problem, it might as well be a long English lesson, but I'll do my best, okay? So obviously at the start, as usual, I'll start to model some and show you some different examples, then we'll go on to the challenge questions, and then I might give you just 1 or 2 extra challenges today because it's hot. So we know this week we're doing addition and subtraction, so that gives you a little hint. I'm not going to throw in a division or a fraction or a multiplication question, so you know it's going to be addition or subtraction, but you still need to be able to understand either which one of the two it is, or whether you might need to use both in one question, because it could be a multi-step problem. But let's go back to basics. So for example, in a garden there are, 10 strawberries. Okay, so there's 10 strawberries in the garden. And then some birds come along, and then a crow eats 2, and a blackbird eats 3. Naughty birds. How many strawberries are left? So it says, when I read the question, so 10 strawberries in the garden, a crow ate 2, so you can imagine that it's taken 2 away, it's stolen 2 and eaten them, and then a blackbird has eaten 3 of them. And we can see that that's a subtraction problem. So how many have been taken altogether? 5 have been taken. So if 5 have been taken away from 10, that means there are 5 strawberries left. Nice and basic. Okay. Okay. Let me think. On a golf course, lots of golf balls are used through the day. And on Tuesday, 3,422 golf balls are taken. They're taken by the golfers to go and play golf. By the end of the day, 3,122, oh no, and 29 are returned. How many balls are missing? So I'm sure you lot will be going ahead. Now, let's look at the problem. This is a good thing to do with word problems. Highlight, pick out. I'm sure your teacher's told you loads of times. Circle the problem, circle the key words. So we've got 3,422 golf balls. Okay, are taken and they'll be used to play golf. By the end of the day, 3,129 are returned. How many balls are missing? Okay. If you compare to this number, this is a smaller number than this one. And missing suggests that something's been taken away, something has been removed. So it must be a subtraction sum. So this many balls were at the start of the day. Only this many have been returned. So how many balls are stuck in maybe a woodland, or have gone in the pond, or have been stolen by the golfers themselves? So we'll take away, so we can't do this one. So make this 1. So at 9, 10, 11, 12, that's 3. We can't do 1 take away 2, so we go to the next column. Make that 3. So 11, 10, 9, 3 take away 1 is 2, 3 take away 3 is 0. So 293 golf balls have gone missing in one day. But it's okay, because at golf clubs they have special people that go and find them. So it's all alright. So there's another example of where you've got to pick out the problem. Okay. At a school sports day, because it tends to be sports day around now, doesn't it? So at a school sports day, there are 251 children and, let me think, 38 teachers. And let me think, 98 parents come to watch. And we're doing a different colour. How many people attend sports day? How many people attend sports day? So let's get the problems. So read it again. At the school sports day, there are 251 children, 38 teachers. So they're there, they're on the field, imagine it, they're there. Then 98 parents come along. And it asks you how many people attend sports day. Now usually you have the word like in total or all together, but I didn't want to add that in there because I'm sure you can imagine all the people being together. Now there's different ways of trying this, and each way is correct. You could add 98 and 38 and then add it to the total number, or you can add them all in one go, or you can add the 251 and 38 and then add the 98. Try it. Maybe do one way and then try another way and see if you get the same answer. First of all, I'm going to add the pupils and the teachers. So that's 9, 8, 2. So here, and now I'm going to add all the parents. So 289 plus 98. So that's 17, 18, so 387. Let me have a look. 300, yes. Well done, 387 people attended sports day. So it's not quite a multi-step problem, but you've got multi-calculations to be doing. It's not just one add or one subtract. Right, one more question and then we'll go on to the challenge questions. Okay. Let me think. At a football match, I'm just going to write in note form now. At a football match, there are 5,878 spectators. At kickoff, by half time, I'm just going to put HT, by half time, 321 more spectators have arrived, but 175 have left. Maybe their team's not doing so well. Have left. How many spectators are ready for the second half? How many spectators are there when the half-time whistle ends and it starts the next half? How many there are altogether? So we have 5,878 spectators at kickoff. They're there. The match has started. This is how many people are. Now, by half-time, there were some late people, and they've recounted everyone in the stadium, and these people have also joined in. So we need to add those on. But these many people have left. So if they've left, they've gone away, so they have been taken away. How many spectators are ready for the second half? Right, again, there's so many different ways you can do this in different orders. I'm just going to show you my way. First of all, I'm going to sort this bit out here because 321 people arrived, but then 175 left. So I'm going to work out the difference. Okay, I'm going to cancel these two each other out and see how much I need to add on to this. So 6, then 3 becomes 2, so 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, and 1. So 321 people arrived, but then 175 left, so there was 146 new people watching the game after half time. We know that this was how many people were at the start, so now we need to add these on. So that's 15, what was it, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. I was thinking that didn't look right. The heat. 14, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and then we've got the extra 1, which is 12. We've got 8 plus 1, which is 9, and 5. Let me have a look. I have a feeling I've got that one wrong, so that's where I'm going to come to you. Oh, we've got different answers. Hang on. Just 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. What am I doing here? That's not right. I've put it in the wrong column, that's why. Eight, 9, 10. So that should have come off. What am I doing, Steph? What was I doing? I looked at it and as soon as I came away I went, I've done something wrong there. You were right and Steph was wrong. I just looked at that column and went, I've done something weird there. It's so hot though. Thing is though, at school you'll say, oh but I'm so hot, and teacher will say that's not an excuse. It is hot and flustered. Right, let's look at these challenge questions then that I set you. Let's have a look. Here they are. That was nice today. 3 challenge questions. The cinema has 700 seats. The cinema has 700 seats. This is question 1. The cinema has 700 seats. 113 adults, I'm going to put adults, and 276 children come to see the film. How many empty seats are there? So the cinema has 700 seats, 113 adults and 276 children come to watch a film. How many empty seats are there in the cinema? Give that one a go. While I guzzle some water. Really well done, guys. Thank you for getting the right answer when I've not. Hi, Holly! Oh, look! Holly's taking part. I was coming to say hello quickly. Brilliant. Scrolling back, looking through your answers for earlier. Oh, Heidi's there with her answer. Brilliant. Ooh, slightly different answers. I'll just stand here and do this. 30 degrees here, it's absolutely crazy. Right, 700 seats. So this tells us here how many people are in the cinema, so that must mean how many seats are being used. So we need to find out in total how many seats are currently being used in the cinema. So we add up 113 and 276, which gives us 389. So that's how many are being used, but we want to know how many empty seats are there. So it's a 2-step problem because we need to add first and then do the subtraction, so it's a mixture of both. So then we do 700, take away our answer. So remember, our answer here is how many seats are being used. Look, the 0 problem again, so we have to go all the way back to here, make that 1 less, which is 6. Make that into 10, but then cross that out and make that into 9. So now our little 0 has finally become 10. So that's 1. 9 take away 8 is 1. 6 take away 3 is 3. So 311 empty seats. Let's have a look. Fantastic. Well done, everybody. Right, next question. Dorothy is saving her money for a new bike. Good old Dorothy. She's saving the money for a new bike. Costing, this is, oh, here comes Steph's drawing now. I don't know why I decided to draw this. It's not as bad as the train from last week, which looked like a tractor. So this bike costs £286. She's already saved £39. She's already saved that, well done Dorothy. And is then given £59 for her birthday. Okay, so she's given £59 for her birthday. How much more does she need to save? How much more? So she's already had £39. She was given £59 for her birthday. How much more does she need to save in order to be able to afford the bike? Have a go at that. Oh, Lachlan's straight in there with an answer. Oh, lots of different answers. Hi, Duncan. I know some of you might still be doing it, but I'll start slow. So the first bit, we know that this is how much she already had and this is how much she was given. So we need to add it together, see how much money she's already got in total. So 2 9s are 18, and then 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So she has £98, but she needs to get to this amount. So again, two-step problem. Now we know how much she's got, we need to subtract it from however much she needs to buy the bike. Now I'm going to show you two ways of doing this. So 8, we can't do it because it's 6 take away 8. We only have 6, we need to subtract 8. So we go to the next column, we make it 1 less. So that's now 16 take away 8, which is 8. 7 take away 9, we've only got 7, we need to take 9, we can't do it. So we go to the next column, make the 2, 1 less, which is 1. And now we make it 17, so 17. 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8. And then we've got 1 left. So she needs to get £188. Let me show you another method for doing this. So we know she needs £286 and she's got 98. Now what you could do here is, because 98 is really, really close to 100, is you could subtract 100 from 286, which would be 186, but then you add back on the £2 difference. So if you add 2 to 6, that would be your answer. And look, they're exactly the same. So you could do that mentally, you could do it in your head rather than having to do the column method. I thought I'd show you both ways. Tell me, did you do it in column method, that last bit, or did you do it mentally? Tell me. It doesn't matter which way you did it. Both just as good as long as you got the correct answer. You did it accurately. Last question. A study of 900 people. So we've got 900 people who were studied and found that 687 people were right-handed. Okay. 174 people were left-handed. Okay. And the remainder were ambidextrous. And that means they could use either hand. My brother's ambidextrous. So I'm just going to, ambidextrous. So how many are ambidextrous? 900 people, 687 right-handed, 174 left-handed. How many people are ambidextrous? Give that a go. Oh, look at you and your answers, guys. Column method, column method, column, column. Brilliant. That's great, telling me. Oh, a lot of you got the same answers. That's quite... Lachlan's very eagerly telling me several times what answers he's got. You didn't say one, Lachlan. Right, let's have a look. So let's find out how many people we know are right-handed and left-handed all together. So we add these together. So that's 11. 7 plus 4 is 11. 8 plus 7 plus 1 is 16. 6, 7, 8. So 861 people are either left-handed or right-handed. We need to know how many are ambidextrous. There were 900 people altogether, so we do 900 subtract 861. So go right back to the beginning again. Because we can't do 0 take away 1. We can't do 0 take away 6. We can do this. So we make 9 into 8, and that extra 1 we take across. We make this into 10. But we still need to help out the ones column, so make that 9. So 10 take away 1 is 9. 9 take away 6 is 3. And 8 take away 8 is 0. So it's 39. 39 people ambidextrous. Now, I don't normally do this. Normally, I go straight into some extra challenge questions, but I am really, really hot today. And I don't know if a lot of you know, I'm epileptic, which means I can have seizures, and it can actually be triggered by heat. So I'd rather have a nice, relaxing ending to the lesson rather getting a bit funny. So I just want to say well done for today. You did really well, especially when you were joining in with those earlier questions, and you're clearly very good at word problem, addition and subtraction. Given that I'm going a little bit early, have a go at the challenge question I'm just about to put up now. And if you're up for a super challenge, tomorrow I'm going to be doing a Key Stage 3 lesson, not live. It will come up on the feed about sometime in the afternoon, normally about 1 o'clock, and it's about Pythagoras' theorem, all to do with sides of a triangle. If not, I will see you next week for Maths Live. I haven't decided what I'm doing next week in Maths Live. So if you have an idea, quickly think, oh, what do I want Steph to teach me? I've got a couple of ideas, but have a shout out now. Is there anything that I've not taught you in Maths Live that you think I could do with some help in that? Otherwise, I'll see you soon.